Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some fantastic sunroom ceiling ideas with Hommie. Get ready to be inspired. Hommie offers a variety of stunning ceiling options to elevate your sunroom's look. From sleek, modern designs with skylights to charming, rustic with beams, there's something for every style. The best part? Our sunrooms are custom-made and factory direct, meaning you get high quality at a price that won't break the bank. Each design is tailored to fit your vision and budget perfectly. With Hommie, your dream sunroom ceiling is just a few steps away. We deliver everything straight to your door, ready for easy installation by your local pros. It's that simple. Ready to transform your space with a beautiful sunroom ceiling? Check out Hommie for the best custom options. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home inspiration.